Participants, including filmmakers, crafters, musicians, and broadcasters, sat in the chambers debating the state of the industry. The members of the parliament listened as creatives called the industry underdeveloped and ignored by the government. They want government to support and help them grow the industry. Many say they have been looking for opportunities like these where creatives sit and discuss challenges faced by the industry. Marisa Machaya, who is from the film industry, says producers are struggling to produce films in the province.
I think, firstly, it's important that Subulele that we're here in the first place. The journey of the Eastern Cape film industry has been decades old. We are a struggling industry, especially up in Eastern Cape. We've seen provinces like Olimpopo and your Free States are even coming up, surpassing us. But we are the people who came first when it comes to these little networks. Even with the establishment of the KwaZulu Natal Film Commission and now the authority, these are the people who came after the birth of what was supposed to be the Eastern Cape industry.
Luzuko Koshi, from the Cultural and Creative Industries Federation of South Africa, says in order for them to be able to execute their mandate of promoting and empowering creatives, they need to be regulated.
CIFSA is an umbrella body, but it has to get to a point where it is legislated like your SASCOC in the sport counterparts, so that we are then able to have even resources coming directly from Parliament and the industry having enough resources, because as we speak now, because of that challenge of not being legislated, we only depend on the budget of the Department of Sport, Arts and Culture.
One of the speakers, the legendary musician Sizwe Zako, says there has been a lack of assistance for the Eastern Cape province. Zako says he hopes that the Parliament of Creatives will yield positive results. He went on to advise young creatives to grab a hold and make the most of every opportunity available.
So ke ukuba ngaba lento ekupheleni kwayo inothi mntana ongenanto okanye mntana ongafaka loo nto incinci nayo makuyiwe endaweni ethile kuyozanywa ndingayivuyela. Phakama uye phambili ufune unetwork because ke ngoku umandoza wathi uzoyithola njani uhlele ekoneni. Phakama uye phaa kwezi ndawo because uthi uSipho Makhabane not yonke iminyango evaliweyo itshixiwe.
Artists from the Eastern Cape province gathered inside these chambers, debating issues and finding solutions to improve and develop the province's entertainment industry. I am Yamkela Mchiya for MPK News in Bhisho.